Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set repeated touches to be ignored. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First, go to the settings, then scroll down to the accessibility. After that, click on the interaction and dexterity, and here you can see the touch settings section, and the third one is ignore repeated touches, and it says that only your first tap will be recognized. Multiple touches will be ignored for the time you set. Tap to test it out. So if you want, you can have to turn that on, and after that you can set the a number from 0.1 to 4.0. So this is for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Wish you a beautiful day. Bye bye.